Craig, good to see you.
Yeah, and you. How have you been? Long time? Yeah, the doors just sit nicely in there. I think there were challenges along the way. I think your guys did a fantastic job too. I'm really intrigued in terms of that digital side of things and why you chose the digital elements. I think it's unique. It's not something that I've been involved with before, and actually so it'd be good to hear your thoughts.
But we used a lidar and a point cloud and then a walkthrough. So with that, we could revisit it and measure off it quite accurately. So we employed that, and then we went to another layer where we said, okay, well, let's use gaming technology, and we used Unreal Engine. So we had a robot that would come up and would test the sensors, and the reason we did that was because we wanted the install team to have an insight of what the architect wanted, how it was going to fit into the space, and also, find out any problems well ahead of time, which we did. So it was the first time we'd actually used it as a piece to train the operatives before, work out some design issues, so we could sort of collaborate with our own design. When I look at what's finished and when I look at that original model and how the team were, we had people in Sweden and Holland who were working on this, and our own guys, and how very similar it looks.
I think it's where it's heading to. I love the idea of the work that you've done here, integrating that sort of digital side with and actually sort of producing something physical that's right for the setting. I like that, and I like where it's going. I'm just sort of excited in terms of where that's heading, really. I think
at the time it was quite cutting edge. It allowed us to collaborate off-site. It allowed it to be shared with a lot of the team, and we certainly were doing that a lot more now. So it was just sort of like touchstone for us to do that.